Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good afternoon, esteemed members of the Commission and audience. We are pleased to present our new project on which we have worked diligently. The educational platform SkillGate, where learning means innovation. This is a unique learning space created by students to support education in the face of current challenge. SkillGate opens new opportunities for learners, helping them develop their skills in an online environment that meets the needs of today. The SkillGate platform is part of the implementation of the development concept of vocational school number 44 in Mirgorod, based on a competency-based approach. The idea for this project arose from the need to ensure a stable learning environment during the pandemic and wartime conditions. As part of this concept, our institution established the Information Resource Center, a space where not only educational classes but also training sessions, meetings with employers, stakeholders, and other interested parties take place. However, new realities have shown that for the effective operation of the center, an online platform is necessary. Therefore, we the students, together with our mentors, decided to create an accessible digital environment that would support all these activities during challenging times. The foundation of our future website was the Ukrainian educational platform builder, Educate Me. We are sincerely grateful to its managers for supporting our initiative, as they provided free access to the platform, which was critically important for the project's implementation. Our computer science teacher, Sergey Sidorenko, helped us understand the technical aspects of setting and operating the platform, as well as taught us how to effectively use artificial intelligence. Thanks to AI tools, we automate part of the course creation process, generating test tasks, processing large volumes of text, and even developing an AI assistant ready to answer questions about course materials uploaded to the platform. This significantly simplified and accelerated all stages of material development, allowing us to focus on content quality, which in turn made the learning process more convenient and interactive for students.
Thanks to the support of the school administration, we were also able to purchase hosting and a security certificate, ensuring a secure connection for users. All this allowed us to launch our own website, skillgate.pl.ua, where students can already register and start learning. To make SkillGate popular among students, we developed a unique style for the platform. Vocational training instructor Victoria Redko advised us on creating a logo, business cards, promotional flyers, and branded t-shirts. Thanks to her recommendations, we successfully designed these materials, which have become symbols of our project. Various subject-specific methodical groups helped us to develop the course. For example, the hairstyling group assisted in preparing looks for filming, while other groups actively promoted SkillGate at their events. Thanks to this and our promotional materials, we managed to spread information about the platform among students and teachers. Mathematics teacher Valentina Stashenko supported us in developing the certification process for SkillGate users. She helped set up registration forms in Microsoft Forms and designed certificate templates for those who completed the courses. Her guidance allowed us to implement a convenient process where each participant receives confirmation of their achievements on the platform. The first educational course on SkillGate dedicated to information security aims to help students better understand the complexities of modern challenges we face in media space, which is especially crucial during wartime. Under the guidance and support of our biology teacher Alexander Parasadelo, we created comprehensive educational materials covering important topics such as recognizing informational manipulation, security rules for combating fake news, the basics of working with cryptocurrencies, and the principles of safe use of chatbots and messengers. To make complex terms and concepts more understandable, we recorded 4 video lectures where students explain the material to their peers in an accessible and engaging form. These video lectures are designed to ensure that learning is not only effective but also enjoyable, helping students gain a deeper understanding of information security and feel more confident in today's digital environment. Throughout the project, we strictly followed all safety rules when working with computers, ensuring high-quality course implementation without technical failures or difficulties. Thanks to the support and recommendations of our mentors, this project has been successfully brought to life, and we hope it will be available too for our peers in learning essential aspects of information security.
In conclusion, we want to thank our team and mentors who consulted us at every step of the project creation, namely Sarisa Dorenko, computer science teacher, Alexander Parasadila, biology teacher, Valentina Streshenko, mathematics teacher, Victoria Radko, vocational training instructor, and also the student authors of the project. Diana Sukach, student of group 31st P. Dalia Grigorenko, student of group 31st P. Oksana Timoshenko, student of group 21st K. Ivan Login, student of group 21E. Vadim Maravin, student of group 11T. This project is our common work and a chance to change the approach to education. SkillGate is a place where learning meets modern technologies, or as we say, where learning meets innovation. Together we build the future of education. Thank you for your attention and join SkillGate today.
Audio Jungle.